This video is just a quick peek at some of the new features in FreePBX 2.8 beta. As with any new system, you kind of have to reverse engineer things: extensions, ring groups, conferences, queues, etc., IVR, and then finally like an inbound route and an outbound route. So because it's boring, I mean, I've already taken care of the extensions. I'm not going to show you me reconfiguring those. I've also gone ahead and made a conference and a queue. And so we'll just dive right into ring groups and where it starts to get interesting. So group description, that's all numbers is fine. I'm going to quick pick a couple of extensions. I'm not going to cover this right now, but see where it says destination if no answer. This is where it starts to get interesting. In this case, I'm just going to terminate the call. Congestion. But you saw it's completely cleaned up there. So now I've already got conferences and queues. Let's go ahead and jump in and create an IVR. So we'll just call it something of that nature. Of course, I've already made a recording. Now I'm going to come down and say 1, 2, 3. Then press 1. We'll go to an extension. Then press 2. I'm going to go to a different extension. They press 3, they can go to a conference. Let's go ahead and increase options. 4, perhaps I want to send them into a queue. You notice how it pre-populates. If I choose something that has more than one choice, for instance, phone book directory, not a good choice. Extensions, I guess. You can see you get each one of them is pretty clean. If I had more things, we could say ring groups, perhaps. Go ahead and save that. You don't quite have to apply configuration so often, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. So lastly, and I'll be all set up, I can just go in, add a description, all numbers, whatever. Choose our IVR, and then all squared away. Now where it gets a little bit interesting is if I go back and look at my extension, and we'll pop into this one here, and as I scroll down, I'll notice a little red text: error, no fax modules detected. Fax related dial plan will not be generated. This module requires fax for asterisk or span based app blah 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 span DSP based app underscore fax or app RxFax to function. So what that means is I haven't installed either one of those. Had I could come in here and enable it and place my email address and incoming faxes, which we'll go back real quick to inbound routes, can be controlled here in terms of detection. So that's all it is. That's all I know.